How to create a Patreon account, start monetizing your content on Patreon with memberships. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an Patreon account and, actually go ahead and monetize it so we can start earning money. It's a good way to have a side gig of some type to, actually start making money for yourself. And it's a pretty incredible way to, work as a passive worker. It's a good way of passive income, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to come to patreon.com. I'm obviously on the login page right now, but you can simply come over to patreon.com. Now, once you're in your patreon.com, it's going to bring you to the actual sign up page where it's going to ask you to, sign in or sign up. Now, if you don't have an account, you can simply go ahead and add an email and it's going to let you sign in easily. So I'm going to go ahead and add an email of mine. There we go. I'm going to click on continue. And here it starts asking us, so what should we call you? I'm going to go ahead and add my name. Then it's going to ask us, the password. I'm going to go ahead and add that and click on continue. Now, once we have done that, what's going to happen from there is it brings us here. So it says find creators you love. And you can actually start finding different creators or topics. But what if we want to become a creator? So what you're going to want to do, because to actually monetize your account on Patreon and to actually earn money on Patreon, you are going to want to become a creator on Patreon. Without that, you will not be able to make money. So, as I stated before, how do we do that? So you're going to come to the bottom left section over here, and here it's going to say create on Patreon, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So once you click on create Patreon, again, it's going to ask you your account and everything, and I'm just going to add in the details. It's going to ask me my password. I'm going to add that in, and then it's going to take me to the creation section. So once you head straight in to the creation section, you're going to be set to go. So now, if you don't get a code for your account, you can simply get it sent to your email to verify it. Now, once you do that, it brings you here. So it says, welcome. There are already more than 250,000 creators on Patreon. There's about to be one more. You. Start your own Patreon in just a few steps, invite fans, and connect with them directly for free. There are no algorithms over here. So when you're ready to earn money, it's easy to offer a paid membership or sell digital products. So obviously, if you like that, you're simply going to click on continue. Now you're going to choose a page name for yourself. So your page name could be anything, but do make sure that it actually captures the essence of what you do on your page or what you're going to be selling on your page. So let's say, in my case, the page name could go ahead and be something like, I'm going to go with John's Art. There we go. And you can add if your page is suitable or not suitable for people under 18. I'm just going to keep that unchecked and click on next. Add your socials so fans know it's you. You can add them now or you can add them later. Now, the reason I left out add socials is because it's not compulsory to add them straight away. You can always add them later in the easiest way possible. It's not a hassle. And once you've done all of that, it's going to bring you here. So you're set to go with all the main workings of your Patreon. Okay. So, what are going to be the main workings of your Patreon? Let me talk to you about that. So, over here, what we are going to want to do is first of all, we're going to start, setting up our profile. So, first of all, describe your page. So, we're going to go over here and let's add an about to our page so you can give the people an intro video off of YouTube. You could give people a bio or a description, okay, telling people what your page actually constitutes, what it does, etc. So I'm not going to give a URL, but let's say you're just going to add a bio so people have a general idea how your page works. Once you do that, click on save. And as you can see, you can add your socials here. Then what it says is make your first public post. So you're going to select a type of post that you want to create. So let's say in my case, I'm going to go with an image post. And I'm going to go ahead and add, any type of art that I want people to see for and, actually potentially pay me for. So I'm going to click on select image. Once I click on select image, I'm going to choose any art that I created. So let's say I have this variation of the Starry Night. So I'm going to add it over here. And while it's uploading, you're going to add a title. So the Starry Night. Okay. And down here, I'm going to write, I created this with great passion, etc., etc. You're gonna add in all your things, and you can even add attachments for people to download this if they want to. But yeah, once you've created a post, click on next, and here it says who can see this. So it could be everyone, and it could be paid members. So you can add a paid membership to actually start getting paid and obviously monetize your account. So that is the next step that I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and click on publish now. So once you've made your first post, now you can actually create a paid membership for your account. So the technique to make a paid membership is that you're going to go over to your creators resources, or you can even go into your settings. And once you go over there, they're going to give you a setting team that allows you to add in all the necessary details, and then to actually go ahead and add your very own memberships. You can go ahead, first of all, go to a payout method and add any type of payout method that you want to. So obviously, if you're a creator, it's going to tell you to become a creator. You're just going to click on that and it's going to go through it. And once you do that, make sure that you turn on all the ways to start your paid memberships. So you can simply come on get started over here. Make sure to publish your page, and here it says what's your monthly price. I'm going to keep it $5. Click on save, and once you do that, there you go. So now your page is a membership page. It's $5 a month, and whoever pays will be able to see your content. And you can actually start selling digital products as well. But yeah, that's the general idea of how you're going to monetize your Patreon page. So that's pretty much about it. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.